Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from SNC Public Relations and they're looking for a digital content creator. This pays from $8.56 an hour to $37.44 per hour. We are strategic thinkers with big ideas and the talent to bring them to fruition with flawless execution. Specializing in building visibility for our clients, we are dedicated to raising positive awareness for leading organizations across a diverse media landscape. SNC Public Relations is looking for a digital content creator to join our growing digital team. Ideal candidates are entrepreneurial self-starters with 2 to 3 years of experience planning and implementing social media and digital content campaigns with a strong focus on content creation. Some of your responsibilities will be work with our Director of Digital Content and Accounts team to incorporate compelling multi-channel digital content into overarching client communication strategies. Build, execute, and continuously manage content calendars for client channels. Oversee day-to-day community management for client and social accounts, contributing to the development of thriving communities on key channels. Be the boots on the ground by attending site visits, client events, and activations with COVID-safe protocols in place to create content for client social media accounts. Collaborate with digital and account teams to bring influencer and brand partnership content creation opportunities to life. Some of your skills and qualifications will be a minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in the social media / content marketing space, ideally in a multi-channel content creation role. Tangible experience developing and executing social media content calendars and measuring campaign results. Deep understanding of content creation and community management best practices across all major social platforms, especially Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Stellar creative writing and storytelling abilities. Experience using industry standard social media monitoring and analytic tools. Experience creating dynamic photo and video content for Instagram and IG Reels and an eye for visual storytelling, and know the basics of content capture and editing with tools like VN Editor. Strong knowledge of social media and digital content trends with a willingness to experiment with emerging platforms and formats. Understanding of how paid social strategies are developed, implemented, and measured. So SC Public Relations Incorporated was founded by Susan Dawson and Cecil Franklin out of a passion for public relations and communicating stories that matter. With the signature approach of our close-knit team, prides itself with loyal clients and long-term relationships. SC Public Relations is built on our strong belief in ethics, trust, loyalty, and long-term results. This job is full-time, pays on the low end $8.56 per hour, on the high end $37 to $44 per hour. The benefits are 401k, flexible schedule, health and vision insurance, paid time off, and tuition reimbursement. It is Monday through Friday with supplemental pay such as signing bonus and commission pay. And experience social media marketing at least 1 year is preferred, and writing skills at least 1 year is preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to have the links right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't sweat it. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified as soon as we post a new job lead so you can find the best work from home job for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.